Hi everyone, welcome to Code Tales. In this video, we are going to learn how to install Next.js and get started with our first project. By the end of this video, you will have Next.js installed and your project up and running. We are on the official documentation, that is nextjs.org, which gives the introduction to Next.js. Here we click on Get Started. After we click on Get Started, this gives the introduction to Next.js and how to use the documentation. As we are installing, we are going to click on Getting Started, which gives the information of the prerequisites files that is required and how the installation should take place. We click on installation, then it says the minimum version is 20.9 Node.js. When you click on it, it will lead to the official website of Node.js. In order to download it, you click on Get Node.js. Then you will have to select the OS that you are trying to install. Right now I'm using Mac, so I click on Mac, and you can also select the required version you want. I'll go with the default, and then you click on the Mac OS installer. After the file is downloaded, you can just double click on the file and click on next, and then continue and try to install it. It is so simple. And then after you have installed it, I'm not going to double click on it and install again because it is already installed. To check the version of it, I'll open the terminal in Mac and click on node-v. It shows you the version that is installed. That is the confirmation whether the node is installed successfully or not. And also I will type npm-v to check the node package manager that comes with node version that is showing. So it is 10.9.2. And then if I type node and enter, it gives you the terminal to execute the node commands. So this is how you install the Node.js. And then there will be downloads available for Windows and Mac. If you are using Windows, you can click on Windows download. And in order to install for Windows, you just have to download the file and click on accept the license agreement and click on next and finish with the installation. With respect to Mac, you just have to transfer the downloaded file into the applications folder. And then click on the Visual Studio Code downloaded file, that is icon. After you double click on it, you will be able to see the Visual Studio window open like this. If you are opening for the first time, you will have a welcome screen, and then you will try to open a new folder. Okay. If you have existing projects, you can open the existing projects. And now I'm doing it for the first time. We'll start with the Next.js tutorial. That is what the name of the folder which I have given, and click on open. So you have the folder now. In order to start with the project, to execute the commands, you will have to go to the terminal. In order to go to the terminal, there will be an option at the top, terminal, and click on new terminal. Otherwise, you can also click on control and backtick. It opens the terminal. And inside the terminal, we are going to execute the command npx create next app at latest. That is the command we use to create a Next.js project. The project name I have given is Next.js-app. Here we find three options: use recommended settings, previous settings, and customize settings. I'm going to click on customize settings. Within the customized settings, for TypeScript, I select yes, ESLint, yes, React compiler, yes, Tailwind, yes, and source directory, I'm going to select no because I'm not going to use source directory. And app router, yes. And for customize the import alias, no. And then to include the agents.md, I select yes. After this, the installation of the project begins, and it takes around 30 to 40 seconds. And after the project is successfully installed, you get a success message, created Next.js app. And in order to execute this project, you will have to go within the folder. In order to do that, we do cd space Next.js-app, that is our project name. Once we are within the folder, we are going to execute the command npm run dev. Once you have executed that command, you see our project is running successfully on the port 3000. Now, to see the project which is running, you will have to go to the particular web address, that is http localhost:3000. If you enter the web address and then click on enter, you will see the Next.js app. Congratulations, you have successfully created and run your very first Next.js application. If you can see this page in your browser, it means everything is set up correctly and you're ready to start building with Next.js. In the next video, we'll explore the project folder structure and understand what each file and folder does. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding!